crying.
Why?
I'm crying.
This might...
Ah, my eyes are on fire. Okay.
Do you want me to like jump up again for this?
No.
No?
All right, so.
We're keeping it simple?
Yep.
Hi
guys,
professional?
Welcome back. It's me, Drew, and I'm back today again with Justin, and literally same clothes, everything. We are just showing you how to make the fresh mango salsa that we used with the jackfruit sliders. It was all actually supposed to originally be one video, but then we did not anticipate the journey of making that salsa.
We talked a lot.
Yeah, so we're like, we're gonna make it 2 videos so you guys get us twice this weekend also, so you're not here for like 2 straight hours. The camera actually stopped recording in the middle of it, so it was pretty funny.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Alright, so for a mango salsa, I'm excited. You know why?
Why?
Because I've only cut a mango like twice in my life.
Oh.
So last night I was watching YouTube videos.
Oh my goodness. Is this the bowl we're using for our salsa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So the smokiness of the barbecue, I thought, would go really well with the sweetness of a mango corn salsa.
I agree.
Yeah. So I thought that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
So we have our mango.
Okay.
I also have no idea to tell if a mango is ripe.
Oh.
So this was just like, this is a total guess.
I think it's
Probably something, right?
Yeah.
It looks like a mango.
Yeah.
All right.
I can't tell what that means.
So inside of a mango, there is a like big pit.
Okay.
Do you know about mangoes?
No.
Okay.
I'm
so
gonna
there's
cut one
like
too.
a really big hard pit, like right down the center.
Okay, I think I need
So
that.
yeah, like look at your mango. So it's like this, like an egg. Okay.
Okay.
And they're gonna try to cut on both sides of it, and it's kind of like a guessing game. You have to like feel.
I eat dried mango all the time. I
Yeah.
love mango. It's super yummy.
Yeah. So it's a lot by just kind of like feel.
Okay.
Okay. So you cut like around, right, and then just kind of like rip it. So you see, here's the big giant. Oh my gosh, this is
Don't be nervous.
definitely.
Don't be nervous because I'm nervous.
Alright, so you're not like cutting all the way through.
Okay.
Okay.
Rip it apart? Well, that was loud.
Yeah, just kind of like twist. I mean, you take HIIT classes.
I know.
Okay.
That's why I do it. I'm trying to be stronger.
So we're cutting around it.
Okay.
And you cut down until you can like feel the pit inside.
Do you know everyone uses that excuse? If you take the class, you should be strong enough to do whatever you're trying to do.
So
I didn't really. It smells great. Okay, so I did that. So now what?
Yep. Okay, so now you do it. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna move this bowl. This is
I know,
too
this
exciting.
is scary. I didn't cut down far enough.
Wow.
This is like on camera.
I know. Real
learning like.
It's fun though. I think people are gonna enjoy this side of you, knowing that you don't know how to do something perfectly. But the thing is, like, we're learning. It's fun working together.
And this one, it's not very ripe, so I blame it on that.
Okay, you said it was though.
I don't know. I never used mango, but I thought like in my head like, oh, this would be really cool.
I cut this.
Oh man, this is not ripe at all.
Oh wow. Well,
all right,
is what it is. Here we are now. This is our life now.
See, yours is a lot riper.
You got a knife at me, man.
Yeah, I know. See, like yours is like the nice mango coloring.
The right one. Now what do we do?
Mine is like really yellow. All right.
So we're supposed to like cut around it or something in the middle part?
Yeah, so now you like cut there, but then like you have your little half side with the skin on it.
I'm messing this up.
And then you like cut in.
Okay.
Down to, oh my gosh, you're definitely going to cut yourself.
I know.
So we're like cubing it down. No, not all the way through.
No, but that's bad. That's the ugly part.
Well, yeah, we're not eating that.
I know, so I got
So we
rid
like
of it.
cut down to the skin.
Okay.
And
I
then
feel like I knew this.
Yeah, and then you like
I feel like I've seen this.
peel it back.
Ooh.
Like that. See, this is
wow.
not ripe at
That
all.
looks
I bought these last night. Okay.
Okay.
And then you just kind of like
this should be a separate
cut
video.
off. Yeah. How to maybe cut a mango.
Well, I meant like the salsa.
I know. Well, I was thinking like this would be something good to do while the other stuff cooks.
Yeah. This is not. I don't know what I've done.
Wow. This is sad. This is all not going to be in a video. What did you do?
I don't know.
You like cut yours all apart.
Just take it.
Okay.
Fix it.
So yeah.
Just in it.
So yeah. So then you're just kind of like cutting out the cubes.
This one actually looks nice though.
Yeah. See that?
Don't they do like mangoes like for certain like desserts like culture thing?
Wow.
Are you using this?
Well, I will. I mean, like we
for
will.
this?
Yeah.
This is a nice one. This is right.
Really?
Yeah.
This doesn't seem ripe at all.
This feels good to me.
I don't think any of this is going to be in the video.
It's all in the video. This is all in the video. I'm not changing course now.
Not gonna edit any.
Nope. I'm done editing videos with you, Justin.
Wow.
Everybody just gets to see who you are now.
Yeah.
Be excited. Oh man, what is
Just
that?
gotta remember to not use any like words that I might regret.
Oh, I know, don't do that.
I'm pretty good. Unless I cut myself.
Oh,
then
yeah.
I might like,
Yeah, I get that. I would too.
yeah, might drop a word.
I think we're actually working really well together right now. Believe it or
yeah.
not. No, I got this ring. Look at me.
Oh,
Wow.
this is like actual teamwork. I haven't looked at the camera in a while
I
either.
know. Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hey.
Hey guys.
We're still on
Still
camera.
here. Because we're like, you know why? Because we're both like, we gotta do this right. Like, we gotta focus. And so we're like focusing and getting it done.
Oh, you know what else I didn't do?
What
I
did you
didn't
not
set a
do?
timer.
I actually looked at the time ahead of time.
Oh.
And was like, this is the time it would come out.
Oh, what time is it gonna come out?
28 after.
Okay, so we got like 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
All right. So,
Yeah.
wow, this is a hot mess.
Okay, this is pretty much the core here. So
Yeah. Ooh, this one is fairly ripe.
I told you.
This one's nice and soft.
I know.
I like that.
Sorry, that
Yeah.
way. Yeah-handed.
Oh,
This is good.
yeah. Okay.
Really good.
So we got our mangoes.
Wow.
Okay.
This is delicious.
Yeah,
Did you
it's a
try it?
nice. Well, not yet.
Try this one. Yummy.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna buy some mangoes.
Yeah,
Because
I like that.
vegetables.
Yeah, that's fruit,
They're
but
fruit.
same thing.
I mean,
All right.
this is really
So we
good.
got our mango chunks.
I'm gonna start
Okay.
buying fresh mango. Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, but you have to like, I don't know. See, again, I bought it last night and I was like, oh, this will be fun. We can
Wow.
do some mango
This is
stuff.
really delicious.
Yeah.
I'm also really hungry.
So,
I'm gonna be eating it all.
salsa, right?
Okay.
So we got, this is 2 mangoes.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to put in a little bit of garlic and we're going to like crush it.
Okay.
So you like peel it, cut off that really hard like wooded
Yep,
end
pound
to it.
it.
Yeah, kind of squish it and then do that. And then we're going to slice up, maybe like looking at the mango, probably about a quarter of that red onion.
I think we should put it all in.
That's a lot of onion.
I love it though.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be good.
And you know what else? I don't have a recipe for what we're doing.
I like that.
So like
The thing is, that's kind of like a
what we're
salsa.
doing,
You don't need a recipe.
yeah, it's just kind of it's a guess.
I knocked some
you know?
onion on the floor.
Yeah, no, there's stuff everywhere.
I know. This is a messy video. Wow.
Wow, it's because you're using a paring knife.
Well, you kept the big one from me. You think I can't cut stuff, so I'm like, I'm gonna find a way through this video.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if anyone's gonna like this video. This is terrifying me. I might just scrap the whole thing. Let's just stop filming.
Yeah, this is good.
Put jalapeno
This is
in
like
there?
real life, yeah.
I know.
All right, so we got mango. I have 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna do some red onion.
I love
I'm gonna
it.
do like a little bit of jalapeno. So I don't want it to
Put a lot
have
in.
like, I don't want it to be
Come
too
on,
like
put a lot
hot.
in. Stop being a baby. Come on,
It's
I
not
want
being
it
a
like
baby.
hot.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, be
All
strong.
right. So got about a half of a jalapeno.
Okay.
It's a really big
I saw
jalapeno.
this stuff too.
Yeah.
I want it all in.
That's a lot.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not for this. This is for that though.
Oh.
And then some cilantro.
Ooh, my eyes are watering.
Why are your eyes watering?
I don't know. I like it. Woo! My eyes, they hurt.
Okay. So we
My eyes
got
hurt. Ah! Ah! My eyes are on fire. Okay. Okay.
alright. So we got, like, I don't know, like a handful. This is like a couple of
My eyes are
like
watering.
2
Woo!
tablespoons of cilantro.
Lord.
On there.
That's hot.
Okay. So we got some cilantro.
Okay.
Alright, what else do we got over there? Oh, we're gonna put some red
Pepper.
Pepper.
I almost did it again.
no, every time.
It's like how this whole, like our first video.
I know.
And I was like, maybe he knows stuff because he cooks all the time.
No.
No. He's just being,
I pretend like I know.
I don't know. You don't.
So the red pepper is going to add to some of the sweetness.
I'm putting the
So that way we
jalapeno
have-
part in, just, you know.
Oh, all right.
We're gonna have some spicy stuff with that. Kind of
Yeah, that's pretty spicy. So
I'm
red
literally
pepper,
crying right now. Look
Red-
at, I'm crying.
Oh wow, you actually are.
I'm actually crying.
Yeah, like your eyes are legit
crying.
watering.
I'm crying.
This might be like the weirdest video yet.
I'm crying over this. I'm gonna start
Like we came into it thinking, oh, this is gonna be a really good video.
It's terrible. You planned it.
I mean, the
We actually
food,
met and planned together.
Yeah, the food is gonna be great.
Are we supposed to put salt and pepper on this?
We will.
Okay, I'll be back. Let me get salt and pepper.
Yeah, the salt is
I'm
right
leaving.
there. It's
I'm
right there.
leaving. No, it's right here. I'm gonna
Oh.
use this one.
Wow. All right.
I think I fixed my crying.
All
One
right.
minute, nothing comes
So
out.
here's some of this stuff. Okay. All right.
Why are we
That's
putting
good.
tomatoes in this?
We're not.
Huh?
We're not putting a
No,
tomato.
I'm asking why we're not.
Why? Because that would be weird.
This looks really pretty. You should take a picture of it like this for Instagram.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Okay.
Um,
I'm gonna mix it in.
yeah, and then we're gonna put in some lime as well.
Do you like how you were like, we're only gonna put this much in, and I was like, we're doing all of this.
I know.
Again.
Yeah. So to do lime or lemon, a quick way to do it. Wait, hold on. Okay, you cut it
Oh,
in
you
half.
cut it in
yeah,
the middle.
and then
That's
you
right.
like
Sorry.
score.
That's right. You told me that.
So that way it helps break.
Score mine.
Yeah.
Score me up.
It breaks some of
Oh,
that
that's
like
getting yummy.
top skin,
Okay.
and then it like juices a lot better.
I'm excited.
I
It's gonna
know.
taste really good.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't, I'm gonna say it does because I cried over this food.
Like literally. You
Literally
over
cried
this.
over this.
Yeah. Literally cried.
That's gonna be the opening for this video is me crying.
Yeah.
I'll be like, I'm crying.
This is so good. I love mangoes so much.
I'm actually gonna buy fresh mangoes though. You've inspired me.
Yeah, I like it. They just have to be ripe. That was our
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, because normally, like when I have done it before,
How
you
much
like
are mangoes?
cut around.
Expensive?
No, it was like they were on sale. It was like 79 cents.
Where?
At Woodman's.
That was a lot of salt.
Yeah, it was
Oh,
a lot
I'm
of
gonna go to Whitman's.
Yeah. They also had a sale. Look at those grapefruit that I got.
Yeah.
Look at those things are huge.
My dad's allergic to grapefruits.
Really?
I need to put mango on my grocery list.
Yeah.
Can you write that down, please?
My hands are covered.
Wanna try it?
We just finished this.
Okay.
Let's try it.
That's what it looks like. Hold on. Okay, so after I don't know.
This is so out of order.
I know. Okay, so we've mixed it together.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to it.
What? More?
Just a little bit. Just a
Oh
little
my
bit.
gosh.
Come on. A little
Okay.
pepper. I'll add pepper too. There.
Wow. All right.
There. Okay. Mix it up.
Yep.
And then, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
I
try
mean,
it.
like with a spoon, or do you want to put it on something?
Let's do both. Let's try
Okay.
it plain,
All right.
and then also with the spoon.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I gotta get an actual mango.
I know. I'm
piece.
like, that's the
Okay.
problem. The mango doesn't want to come
Yeah.
out, and I'm like, give up that mango, please.
Yes.
Like, all right,
I got most of it.
all right, I'm ready.
Okay. Oh yeah.
It's good. Mm-hmm. And we just like made it up on the cup.
Yeah. And this
So-
would like just because a lot of it is the like natural acidic like fruit flavors
Yeah.
and the onion and
I
everything.
love it.
Yeah, it would
It's
get
so good.
a little bit more developed if you put it in the fridge for like an hour or two first.
So what would you put this on then? Now we can try it on something.
I mean, you could eat it just with like chips. You could
Okay.
use this as a topping for, like scrambled eggs,
Ooh.
tofu,
Okay.
avocado toast. I know how much you love avocados. Avocado, like just kind of like anything where
Okay.
you're like, I want something like fresh,
Wow.
and it's not like overly sweet either.
I
mean, the
see.
mango does add a little bit of sweetness.
You have some toast.
I do have some toast.
prepared. Can
Yeah.
you even see it? Because it's like the same color as the cutting board.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
you have some
So,
toast
I
prepared.
mean, you just hold it up. It's toast.
Yeah. Okay. Whatever. I had to make it more dramatic. Oh wow.
I was gonna
I was
serve
gonna
you.
serve-
Yeah,
Oh.
that's so nice.
Thank you.
Wow,
You did it bad.
that did not
It
work.
did really bad. It's like really well. Are you even trying? You're not even trying now. Okay,
So
I'll
it's
just
just like
I'll just do it with my
it
hand.
doesn't stick on just dry toast.
I know.
Now, if you put an avocado in there,
Wow. Gross.
there you go.
Gross.
All right.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
This is bad. Goodbye. I ate it bad.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That was really good.
It's really good, but I did not. I did not proportion that into my mouth properly.
Yeah, just don't die or choke because that'd be bad.
You probably don't even know how to save people, do you?
No,
Well, you should learn now that you're working with me.
I know. Yeah, do like first aid training, Heimlich,
What kind of bread
basic
was
cuts.
that?
It's one I got at the grocery store last night. I was trying so when you go to a grocery store, here's like a little like shopping tip. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So most of the time when you go to a grocery store, all of the like highly processed breads are going to be like in the middle of the aisle.
Okay.
It's going to be actually like on a shelf in the aisle itself.
Okay.
Okay. Now your more like local bakery fresher things are going to be on the outsides
Okay.
of it, or they're going to be on like the end cap.
Right,
Because
right.
those have to get swapped out more regularly
Right, 'cause they're
because they're
fresher.
fresh. Yeah. So this one was an end cap one.
Okay.
And what kind of drew me to it was, well,
Drew you to it. Wow.
I like the packaging. It was cool. It
okay.
says Angelic Bakehouse. I didn't actually look where it's from. It's from like right around here.
Okay.
But what I liked, it's from Cudahy, so just north.
Oh.
Okay. It's all sprouted grain. So it just adds like different kinds of protein, different like it's usually sprouted grain's a little easier to digest. especially if you have problems not with like celiac,
Right.
but just problems like digesting.
Yeah, it actually has 4
meats.
grams of protein in it, so that's great.
Yep.
Nice. Okay. Well, this was just like I said, this wasn't supposed to be a separate video, but we did it anyway because we figured it'd make life easier than trying to have you sit through one long video. So that's how we made the mango salsa. It was really good. It tastes good.
Yeah, it was good. It's
Really
just
good.
that
now we're gonna
kind
put
of
it
awkward
on
to
the sandwiches, which is in a different video. The one they already saw, so.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
So go back and rewatch that.
That one at the end. You can be like, I saw them make that the day later.
Yeah, wow.
So.
Christmas. It's Christmas Day.
That's all I. Never gonna let that go. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already,
You're talking about me. I was like, no, not Justin. I'm just here. That's fine.
I forgot. You tell them I forgot.
If you want to be part of the Justin crew.
Wow. Do not ever say that again.
I'm going to say that all the time. If you want to be part of the Justin crew, Just In crew, I got to think of a better way to say it.
Yeah.
You can find me at Getting Healthy on Good Food. It's down there.
It's in the description box.
Yeah, description box. Like here, but there.
But, yeah, like here, but there. Okay, so.
I like how you have this like really
You want to be a part of.
like well done ending.
Yeah, you're like.
And every single time I ruin it.
I know. Well, I'm gonna get back. So if you're going for the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew on with anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just Like Drew. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing week. Have an amazing life. And check out Justin on his social media stuff, I guess.
Yeah.
All right.
This guy.
All right. Thanks for
Check
cooking
him
with
out.
me this week. It was interesting. I won't say fun, but it was different. So, all right. Talk to you. Love you. Goodbye.
Bye. All right, so you can wear a pretty one.
Thank you.
I'm gonna wear my This Is How We Roll Lose It.
I should have brought mine, but then I was like, Justin has so many aprons.
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna like edit.
Future.
And then now we're like.